Sunday Igboho don't come outside. Come talk about the attack wey happen for him house. For those of now wey no know, we gather say military people go this man house around like 1 a.m. for midnight. Come go there say they won't go attack this man. Now there this thing will happen. No, before we go see they don't destroy this man property, destroy everything. But as the matter be like this, the man don't come outside talk by himself. Say as everything they happen in there for house that time. See then these people just come in house, so they call themselves they are na DSS or they are na army people. They just come in house, come start a knock. Sunday Igboho come outside, Sunday Igboho come outside. There be DSS. Ain't come the reason and say what thing he no keep person, he no fight anybody. So what thing make DSS they come in place around 1 a.m. Now DSS come look and say what thing they happen for here because he no come to understand. So if saying do something now, he go talk say yes. The only thing when they do now, he be activist for Yoruba people. So you know can understand now why people go come in house, come they do all this kind of wahala on top of nothing. My people beg, making I listen to the voice notes.
So around 1:30 I just hear place spray blade in the front, gunshot in front of my house. Papa. Sunday will come out. We are DSS, we are soldier, we are do this. So and now I peeped through in the window. I saw them with uniform, DSA uniform, and soldier, Nigerian army. So I was, I was surprised that what is problem? Because I never kill anybody, I never fight with anybody. What I'm doing is to fight for my people. Then all the rally I'm doing is a peaceful rally. So I fight for my family because all the Fulani bandits kill my family, rape them, kidnap them, take ransom from them. So that I know some government refuse to do the right thing for my family. That's why I come out to support my family to fight for our rights.
When I don't hear what this man talk, say in fact, Fulani headsmen, now then kill him family, even rape him family. Now understand what to make this man they come outside. Now understand this man pain because how person go rape this man family, kill him family. You go quite expect say the person go consider and they wait on Jesus say now Jesus now go solve all the problem. Maybe now don't overdo this thing. Then these Fulani people they don't overdo this thing. And maybe this man don't go report, give government no see anything do about the whole matter. But now what in conversation the only way we go fit do this is to put justice inside in own hand. And the reason is now what happen between this. But don't can surprise me. The man say as they come in house, they won't thief in 2 million. I got beg softly they lie. We know on that type. How be say go even if they no thief 2 million, on no people now they go talk say 2 million there so that in case government won't return that money for them, they go triple the money. Money when no they there, they will come call them back. But under this matter, beg, what in this man do? Because now the Department of State, these DSS people now, they don't confirm am. In fact, their organ come out say, now them involve this attack. In fact, now them cater this attack. Now them talk to make them these people go there, go catch this guy. Say in fact, they don't declare am wanted under these DSS people. I beg go, I know you understand. Even if now one attack person, what did the person do on our own reason now? They talk say that they notice say it like say the whole wahala say this guy don't they stock up ammunitions have been ammunition. So he don't they keep guns and things down. Say he won't use and cause wahala, he won't use and cause kasala inside the country. Hey, I don't know where these people do their investigation from. But I beg, make them follow me watch.
The gun duel, which lasted for an hour, offered people the chance to escape. Sunday Ademo, alias Sunday Igboho, is now on the run. Igboho may run as far as he can. He may hide as long as he wants. He might have attacked security operatives as his strength carried him. But this will be the end of his shenanigans.
He should surrender himself.
And I don't hear this man story say, in fact, Nigeria, story where go hear from here, another one. The one another person say go bring another one. This man, they talk to him and the military teams. They go Sunday Igboho house. Me, first. The first mistake wey una do na, una go person house by 9 a.m. What be 9 a.m.? 1 a.m. Abeg na be vampire. Wetin na dey find? Which military official na no dey sleep? Wey be say na for midnight na one Congo go attack person. Daytime dey na no go catch this person na for midnight. Na there they talk say about 9 of Sunday Igboho guys. As they just reach there, they just carry gun. Na action film na dey act. How person go just come your door, come knock? The next thing na gun. Wey be say they no even know where na your mama dey do, abi who dey do. Go come carry gun start to dey fight on. If na dey lie, make na dey soft with the lie. Say all the blood wey dey in house na because of say them, the military people, they kill 2 people among the men. Say but their own side, make na dey listen. Nobody wound. In fact, gun no hit them, na just small wound. Why una for military side, why una no die? Why be say na only Sunday Igboho people na come die? All this whole matter when I go just they cause unnecessary kasala for person. Person go dey in house in peace, they sleep. Now I go say no, na just won't come bust the person. And now for Boston for daytime. But Mr. Sunday, we get announcement for you. As your matter be like this, in fact, they don't talk say if you no surrender. Everybody don't fight. They don't even declare military people say, may they go find anywhere where you did, they go dig you come out. So I don't know as you want to do, you go disappear. Oh. As you take disappear during this robbery, I be waiting, they come attack you for now, so you go do it because I don't understand. And as they arrest these people and they talk, so they see 13 people inside this guy house with guns, charm. If you not see things, hey, and I was different kind of juju, different type of gun. Where we say police self, they don't even get this kind of gun. I beg, brother, I won't ask you Sunday. What thing you want use then these ammunitions do? What thing be your plan, Gongo? Because if not this reason, now I make the arrest you. Now I understand. Okay, maybe you don't do something. But government said on us a bit fuck up. At least now for the clients, okay, this guy they wanted because in the plan something. On I not talk anything, I just enter person house, go invade them, scatter the place now later. Where the thing don't boss, so the person don't come outside, they complain, say, oh, now come here. Now that time I can't talk, say, now person giving her directives. Now so they do things for this kind of country. Now so now they run our own law. And I don't go put law down. I don't already start to act on the law before people even go abide by the law. Now what for this kind of Nigeria? And DSS, as now no say na sabi work like this, I beg. Bandit zone, they there. Now never even target one person for that side. Zambesa forest, don't they? How many years when they talk say now dear Boko Haram, they live Boko. One day we never hear say DSS don't go there, go catch the leader of this person. Even the bandits or for notes, they work out freely. On I no go meet them, I no even mention him. Now no go meet this person. Now people will be said they live their life, they never even cause. I can't the reason say maybe because of this Sunday go protest we won't do. Maybe now waiting make the cons make they go raid and make they go kill him for house because I sure say this man day. Because in they claim saying they be na juju you take escape be na I don't even understand. But if say they catch you life and direct, I sure say they would even roast you. You go don't turn to con. Because this one everything I when they catch him, the people where they fight for the country, what's I won't use them do? What's be on a purpose? Go. Better things when I go do, na no go do am. The things wey be say they no even to send on, na I come carry on na attention. They do. Oga abeg, I no know as you want to disappear come out from this country because you don't dey under attack. People don't dey find you, military people don't. In fact, they need you. What did they need you for? We no know. And among this in groups, if woman dey there, the woman even tie rapper. Abeg, if say these people na thief, in fact, me I just dey wait for the day where they go question them these people. Because I'm not sure say if these people if say this man gets bad intention, I'm sure say people go don't come outside when they protest about the matter. But as nobody come outside, it means say the way the guy they do, he just they act on your own rights. Maybe because of say they kill him family and government no do anything, now we make himself one decide okay, make him fight for himself. So government I been a DSS people. Before I go declare person wanted, make I talk the thing where the person do gone. Make we know first. My people are hear this one. Of course, make I bring and reach in side. Make na service in ear. Hear waiting they happen. Make na don't forget to like and also share this video. I go see you on for our next video.